Welcome back, guys. Today on the piano we're going to do Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. There's just something about that name on the piano. So we're going to start in the key of C because it's a lot easier to follow the numbers as well. So we start out with Jesus. That's the 1. E minor. That's the 3 minor. Jesus. Jesus. That's G minor to C9. And I do that with C, E, B flat, D. So I'm playing the 3rd, the 7 flat, and the 9 of the C chord. So all I had to do from the G minor, I left the B flat and D from the G minor 7. That's a 5 minor to a 1-9. There's just something. F, F over G, C, then back to that F over G. And we're going to go back through the phrase again. Now we go back into this. Master, we're doing the same thing we did before. Saviors, we're doing this 1 and 3 minor, this C, E minor. Now the difference is we're going to go Jesus. We're doing this C7, and I'm actually going up to the C7 over the E, that 1-7 over 3, like a fragrance after the rain. So that phrase through went from the C, E minor, C7. You can go to the C over if you want to after that. D major to the D minor. So we just switched from the 1, 3 minor to the 1-7, 1 over 3, 2 major, to the 2 minor. Now this 3rd time through, we're going to do the same progression that we were kind of doing, but we're going to change it up some more. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. So that was just like the first time through with the C, E minor, G minor, C9. Let all heaven and earth proclaim. Kings and kingdoms shall all pass away, but there's something about that name. So this last time through, we did that 1, 3 minor, 5 minor, 1-9, 4, 2 major, 3 major. That's a D, then a E. To the 6 major, A. To the 2 major, the D. Down to the 2 minor, to the 5, back to the 1. So we just went from the 2 minor to the G, the D minor to the G, to the C. So I'm going to play the whole thing through. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. There's just something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus. a fragrance after the rain. Jesus, 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 let all heaven and earth proclaim. Kings and kingdoms shall all pass away, but there's something about that name. If you want to end it, you can go to Kings and kingdoms shall all pass away, but there's something about that name. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to this channel. Until next time, God bless.